Another day, another story. Today, we will talk about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born physicist who is widely considered to be one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. He is best known for his theory of relativity, which fundamentally changed the way scientists understand space, time, and gravity. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. As a child, he was fascinated by math and science, and he excelled in these subjects in school. After completing his education, Einstein worked as a patent clerk in Switzerland while also doing research in his spare time. In 1905, he published a series of groundbreaking papers that laid the foundation for modern physics, including his theory of special relativity, which explains the relationship between space and time, and his famous equation, E equals mc², which shows the relationship between mass and energy. Einstein later developed his theory of general relativity, which expanded on his earlier work and provided a new understanding of the force of gravity. He continued to work in physics and made significant contributions to the field throughout his life, receiving numerous honors and awards for his work. In addition to his scientific work, Einstein was also known for his activism and advocacy for peace and civil rights. He was a vocal critic of nuclear weapons and worked to promote peaceful cooperation between nations. Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey, in the United States, but his legacy as a brilliant physicist and humanitarian continues to inspire people around the world to this day. Here are some interesting facts about Albert Einstein. He was a late talker and didn't start speaking fluently until he was about 4 years old. Einstein's family was Jewish, and he immigrated to the United States from Germany in 1933 to escape the persecution of Jews by the Nazi Party. Einstein was a gifted musician and played the violin. He said that playing music helped him to think and to solve problems. Einstein was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, but he declined the offer. Despite being one of the most famous scientists in history, Einstein never won a Nobel Prize for his work on relativity. He did, however, receive the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on the photoelectric effect. Einstein was a pacifist and was opposed to the use of violence in any form. He was a member of several peace organizations and spoke out against war and nuclear weapons. He was an avid sailor and enjoyed spending time on his sailboat, which he named Tinnef, which is Yiddish for worthless. He once said, "I believe that pipe smoking contributes to a somewhat calm and objective judgment in all human affairs." In addition to his scientific work, Einstein was also a philosopher and wrote about his views on religion, politics, and ethics. Einstein's brain was preserved for scientific study after his death. Researchers have studied it extensively, but there is still much that is not known about how his brain worked and what made him such a brilliant thinker. We will bring more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.